In this video, we'll discover how waste can be transformed into value through microbiome applications for circular and climate-resilient starter culture manufacturing. Waste can be transformed into valuable resources through microbiome applications, turning today's challenges into sustainable opportunities. The food industry generates enormous amounts of organic waste every year across the globe, resulting from agricultural production, food processing, transportation, and consumer habits. Instead of discarding the waste, biotechnology can unlock hidden value within waste materials. Microbial communities are nature's recyclers, playing a vital role in breaking down organic matter and returning essential nutrients to the environment. They are also widely used in biotechnology and agriculture to rapidly multiply disease-free and genetically uniform plants. Repurposing waste as a nutrient-rich resource not only supports microbial growth but also drives innovation in sustainable bioprocessing, fostering circular and climate-resilient starter culture manufacturing systems. Using waste-derived inputs closes the loop, reducing emissions and conserving resources. Let's see how it works. First, collect agri-food waste streams. Then, use them as nutrients for microbial growth. Finally, obtain the production of starter cultures. Microbiome applications enables production of diverse new products from food cultures to sustainable biofertilizers derived from microbial processes. Microbiome applications enable production of diverse new products. Collaboration among scientists, farmers, and industries accelerates circular innovation. Students and innovators are shaping the next generation of sustainable microbiome solutions, from food cultures to biofertilizers. From waste to worth, microbiome applications transform challenges into sustainable value. What innovative ideas can you contribute to this circular future? Join us in this amazing journey. For more information, visit our project website and follow us on the Bioshield social media.